Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Luke, and today's video is going to be how to change your icons on your MacBook Pro or Air. I figured out how to do this a while ago and I thought it was very cool, so I decided to share it with you guys. If you're a person who likes to be organized, this video is definitely for you. I personally do not like the original @ sign that they put when you add a link to the home screen, so I decided to get a little creative with this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So to get started, you are going to head over to your Safari and onto Google. Of course, everybody loves Google. Then you are going to type in the logo you are looking for. In this case, I was looking for Google Play Books logo. So I searched Google Play logo up and clicked images. And once I scrolled through, I finally found the logo. And remember guys, you do not have to have a transparent photo either. So you are going to right click the image and then you are going to save the image to your downloads. Then you are ready for the next step. Alright guys, the next step is to go onto Google and we are going to delete the background. So you're going to click up background deleter and then you are going to click this link here. By the way guys, I will drop all the links down below. As you see here, I just canceled out my old one and then clicked upload image. And as I said before, we save that image to our downloads. So clicked on it there and then it automatically removes the background, and then you are going to copy the image. Once you have done that, you are going to right click the icon that you would like to change, and then you are going to click get info, and you are going to press Command V, which will then put the image into your icon. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up. I hope today's video was informative and I hope you took something from it. So have a good day guys. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the content.